नमस्कार मित्रांनो. कवयित्री बहिणाबाई चौधरी उत्तर महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ जळगाव आजीवन अध्ययन व विस्तार विभाग आयोजित कोविड-19 काळात विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवण्याचे माझे अभिनव प्रयोग. मी प्राध्यापक दीपक धनराज पाटील, HR पटेल औषध निर्माणशास्त्र महाविद्यालय शिरपूर, जिल्हा धुळे माझे काही अनुभव सादर करीत आहे. Teaching learning process includes develop, disseminate and evaluate to be carried out by the teacher, whereas interaction and assimilation of knowledge by the students. The teaching learning process adopted by me, which is ICT blended teaching learning approach, which includes combination of synchronous plus asynchronous teaching learning. During Corona-19, the synchronous learning was by online classes by Zoom plus Academy, which is a mobile app, and asynchronous teaching learning by the online Genomio platform. This is a screenshot of Zoom. This is a screenshot of the Academy, in which the pre-class and in-class activities like use of quiz, poll, discussion and resources was carried out by me. The asynchronous teaching learning was carried out by the learning management system, that is a Moodle, by me, and the content management system like a WordPress were used. The Moodle was used as it is a popular learning management system. Genomio is a free hosting service. So the instrumental analysis.genomio.com was prepared, in which the two courses were prepared for the students. The scope and the objective of the subject was mentioned. The pedagogy used, which includes LED, learning dialogue, then learning by doing, followed by LED, which includes formative assessment, reinforcement of concept, practice questions, no grading for that, then learning extension resources, and the summative assessment by the class test for the students. So these are some of the screenshots of the learning management system. You look out, it is a LED, LPD, and then different resources to be shared with the students. So number of activities and resources are possible to do with the help of Genomio. The student tracking is also possible to check out their progress. Then another one, that was a WordPress prepared and used by me for teaching and learning. And open education resource that is related with the chromatography was also prepared by me and to be used in teaching and learning. So the teaching and learning which was used, so that was a combination of pedagogy plus technology use. So that was the addition of Zoom plus Academy plus LMS plus CMS plus open education resource. So what the teaching and learning process in COVID-19 era used by me. So I had just tried to make the learner centric class instead of the teacher centric class. The blended learning pedagogy approach was used. Zoom lectures plus Academy for synchronous, instrumental analysis.genomio.com plus WordPress site plus OER is used for the asynchronous teaching learning. Learner centric concept was employed through instrumental analysis.genomio site. Okay. If you want to log into LMS, it's possible for you to log in, and these are my phone number and email address. You can communicate. Thank you.